Okay. I am trying to do a little video here of an NFT mint using a really interesting and unique interface. As you can see, this website is mounting Unity. And here in just a second, I'm going to walk over to a little kiosk and see if I can vend an NFT. And a little error, yeah, fine, whatever. I'm not the best navigator here, but I'm gonna try. Let's see, here it says Metaversal Pass Minting Machine. Press E to begin. Initialize it. Isn't that cool? This is a kiosk in the metaverse. It started. Pulls up my wallet. Yeah, I'm gonna approve that. Let me have it, bro. Come on. Oops, I lost it. Like I said, I'm not the best navigator this way. Ah! Where did you go? I think it must be done because now it's back to press E to begin. Let's see what happens if I do it again. I don't think it'll let me. Yes. Yeah, I think what happened is I just took 2 cracks at it, and the first one worked and the second one didn't. Exciting, very cool. Y'all have a great day.